Hey everybody, it's Mr. Kirkwald here,
And Mrs. Mazuka.
and we're going to talk to you quick about our mass versus weight poster project that we're going to be starting.
Super fun.
Right? So, there we go.
So you're going to be making a poster that's going to warn other people about the differences between mass and weight. Because as you know, there is a difference and you need to let other people know that there's a difference.
Right, so we're going to be posting these around the school, these projects, when we're done with them. So, things you're going to have on your poster. You need to have a definition of mass and a definition of weight. So each definition is going to be worth 1 point. You're going to have 3 examples for mass and 3 examples for weight. That's half your project. That's 5 points, okay? You also need to have some sort of warning label on there because we're going to be warning people about that there is a difference. You can't just call mass weight and weight mass. They're 2 completely different things. And then the last thing is that you need to be visually appealing. So it needs to have graphics. It needs to have neat writing and spelling. It needs to be colorful. It needs to be easily understood, not just a paragraph about that stuff.
And watch your white space. You don't want too much of that.
Mm-hmm.
So this picture that you see here is really, really nice looking, but it is not a complete project. It's only like a 5 out of 10 because it looks nice and it has a warning label, but it has no examples, which we know is a large part of the grade.
Right. So here's our 10 out of 10. So you can see that this poster is organized, it's neat, it has color, it has a warning label, there's a definition for mass, there's a definition for weight, and there's 3 examples listed for each.
So that's the kind of project you are going to try to make.
Right. So we're going to have about a day and a half or so to make these, and then hopefully we will get these hung up in about 2 or 3 days. We'll go out and do them around the school so that we can warn everybody about the difference between mass and weight.